Welcome to the era of supercars. The sleek and futuristic 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is a hybrid supercar with distinct styling and is the replacement for the Revuelto. The 4.0-liter V8 has a light and fast 8-speed DCT gearbox, which allows faster shifting and better weight distribution. The Temerario hybrid powertrain is expected to pair the electric motors with a combustion engine, making it smoother and faster than ordinary cars. The good news is that the Lamborghini Temerario will be unveiled in August or at the end of 2024. The Temerario is a pack of technological evolution and proof of unparalleled performance for Lamborghini after the Revuelto. There are two motors mounted at the front, making it super powerful and expected to pump out 800 horsepower or even more, which is quite impressive. Its overall design inspirations are taken from its big brother, the Revuelto, which makes it bold and colorful. Lamborghini blends innovative technology to make the Temerario a hero of the new era, featuring a double bubble roof, slim lights, single exhaust tailpipe, and deep side air intakes, which make it more comfortable. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.